Hello everybody, today I'm gonna be reviewing the old Royal Enfield GT650 bags. So these bags are especially made for the 650cc GT650 and I think you can use it on Interceptor as well. But I've been trying to find these bags all over YouTube and I couldn't find a single video on these bags. So I thought I'll just buy them myself and review it myself as well. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so while ordering these bags from Royal Enfield, we get two things. First of all, we get these saddle bags which come in black color, which attach onto the soft pannier rails. I'm gonna show you how to fix them as well later in the video, so keep watching till then. The price of these bags is 7,750 and the price of these soft pannier rails is 2,950. You have to buy these both items all together to make it work basically. Okay, so I'm gonna open these bags and show you the quality of these bags. So let's take a look. So first of all, you get this type of hook right here. It was kind of challenging for me to figure it out how this works, but it's actually very easy. It comes in this type of hook. You just have to pull it and then just throw it away like that. And then you get another two hooks which come with a buckle. I believe that's what it's called. So you just unbuckle this thing and then you unbuckle this thing as well, and then you open this. It's pretty big actually, but I think it could have been more bigger in my opinion, but it should be good enough. So let's take a look inside the bag. You get this red color thing. I mean, I don't know what it is called. I'm not a professional, but it's supposed to be waterproof. And take a look inside. That's what it looks like from the inside. And that's not it about these bags, by the way. You also get this strap. Yeah, these are the straps, and then you can actually hook these straps onto here like this. Hold on, and let me just hook the other one as well. Yeah, so this is how it works. You can basically use this in normal bag and just carry it around. It's actually very practical and Royal Enfield has done a great job with these bags actually. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to remove these bags and how to attach them as well. It's actually very easy. So just take a look right here. You have this hook which is fitted onto the suspension, and all you need to do is just that and just pull this thing out, and then yeah, just go do your own business. Bye bye. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like as a rider as well as a pillion while having these bags equipped. So I'm gonna sit on my bike right now. Do not laugh at me if I fall. I'm not gonna fall, but yeah, I'm holding my mic, so bear with me. Yeah, so this is what it looks like while riding. It's pretty practical and looks neat as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what it looks like for the pillion and is it comfortable for the pillion as well. So I'm gonna just scooch back right now and put my legs over here, and as you can see, it doesn't touch at all. Unless you have fat calves or fat thighs, then you'll be alright. So it's pretty comfortable for the pillion as well. So this is what it looks like while riding as a pillion, and as you can see, it's very comfortable and your legs don't touch the bags at all. Pretty great. And I forgot to tell you, even when you're going at high speeds and all, you will be fine. It's not gonna bother you at all and you won't lose your momentum as well. Okay, so the main question is whether you should buy these bags or not, and in my opinion, you should definitely go for these bags. There's a lot of engineering thought put into these bags and it's built well. Even the quality of these bags is amazing. I'm pretty sure these bags are waterproof as well. I mean, I haven't tried, but I'm pretty sure they're waterproof as well from the outside, and they're pretty solid as well. So I would definitely recommend these bags, and I think I might be the first one to make a review on these bags because I couldn't find a single video and I just had to test them out myself. So if you're finding this video, just like and subscribe, and if you want to see something more related to Continental GT650 by Royal Enfield, just let me know in the comments, and yeah, subscribe for more. So that's about it. See ya. अरे मशी आले. रेकॉर्ड करताना फोटो बॉम्बिंग केलं. फोटो बॉम्बिंग नाही, व्हिडिओ बॉम्बिंग म्हणतात त्याला. It's called video bombing, and these stupid cows or buffaloes, I think they're called buffaloes, who give milk and we drink the milk and we grow up. So yeah, these are the buffaloes who are annoying me right now. So yeah, that's it. Cut.